A key component of our app is being able to show both your regular customers and your special B2B customers their unique pricing throughout the purchasing experience. In order to do this, we have a special app block that decides whether or not you're a B2B customer or a regular customer and shows you the correct price. Here you can see I'm not logged in, and there's a compare app price of $800 with a real price of $699.95. I'll go ahead and log in and see how this changes. Now that I'm logged in, you can see that the real price is crossed out with my special trade pricing implemented. This way, I can go ahead and add to the cart, and from here, I can see that my discount has been updated. This runs using Shopify native functions, so you'll see the same discounting occurring in both your cart and at checkout. This closes the loop so that customers can view their pricing before they add to cart, and the discount is applied. This completes the loop in that customers can see the real pricing before they add to cart and go to checkout. All you need to do is replace your typical price theme block with our B2B wholesale trade price app block, and you're off to the races. Thank you for using our app. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, or if there are any features you'd like, let us know.